Oh boy, do I have 4 tips for you. This video is going to cover a bunch of things, but 4 quick tips that are going to help you with your shorts. They're going to help you with fixing audio, and they're also going to even help you with TikTok. What? Let's have a look. I've got a video here where I want to make into a short, but as you can see, the woman keeps leaving the frame. So you can use what's called Smart Reframe. So bring that into your timeline, and with that video selected, go up to Inspector. First thing you need to do is make that footage fit that short's frame. So we're going to increase the size of it just to fill the frame a little bit. But when you watch the video, you'll see that the woman, she leaves the frame. If you go back over to Inspect, you see the Smart Reframe here. Hit that and you can see that it's set to Auto. Now you can select Reframe, it should automatically do it for you, but if it doesn't, you do have other controls. Let's see what it does. Now it's going to analyze that clip and come up with the best possible scenario. Okay, now it's reframed it. Let's see what it's done to the footage. It's used AI to actually include that woman in the frame the whole time. So instead of her leaving the frame, it's moving the short around, or the footage around, to automatically match. Even though this is set to auto over here, if you select reference point, you can move this reference point to an object or something that's in your video that you want to track into the middle. And hit reframe, it'll actually use that reference point as your selection. Although I do find the auto function works pretty amazing all by itself. Okay, tip number 2. Now we've got this clip from this very video. I'm going to press play for you quickly. This is on-camera audio, so there's no mic on the camera, it's just the built-in mic on the camera. I haven't used a lapel mic for this particular test. It's going to help you with fixing audio, and they're also going to even help you with TikTok. What? Okay, scroll back to the start, and you select that particular clip. Go up to Inspect at the top right. Go to Audio, and you've got Voice Isolation. You turn that on. Now let's have a listen. It's going to help you with fixing audio, and they're also going to even help you with TikTok. What? Now I'm going to turn that on and off as we watch it so you can hear the difference. It's going to help you with fixing audio, and they're also going to even help you with TikTok. What? Let's have a look. I don't know if you can hear that through the recording, but... It's going to help you with fixing audio, and they're also going to even help you with TikTok. What? So it isolates the voice completely, gets rid of all background noise and echo. It's quite amazing. With one click, it is astounding how well it works. Now the next tip is to grab a still frame from your video. So if say this was do a particular still frame where I'm doing that stupid face, you just go to the color tab, right click and do grab still, and that'll put that still up in the timeline. Or you can do it from the Fusion tab. You can right click on that and do save image and save that directly to your computer if you want to. And last but not least, which is just a quick tip, but if you go to the Deliver tab, and what I talked about before, how this can help you with TikTok, you can actually export your short to TikTok directly. If you scroll down the bottom here, you can see upload directly to TikTok. Click that, you put your TikTok account details in, and it will render your clip straight to TikTok with no stuffing around in between. Absolutely amazing. Since you're doing things with shorts, you may want to check out this video here on how to add subtitles to your shorts. And also click on the video below if you're just starting out with Davinci Resolve, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.